observe the following segregation of waste, disposal of garbage only in designated collection bays and areas.
Don't just try the road, conquer it. So this challenge is not for the weak.
Ako na, anak. Ako, ma'am. Ako din ang trabaho, ma'am.
Ay!